The Amzart Dehumidifier 118-ounce model is designed to efficiently remove moisture from areas up to 980 square feet using advanced semiconductor condensation technology. Equipped with an LCD display, this dehumidifier allows you to monitor indoor humidity levels easily and features an automatic shutoff to prevent leaks or overflows. The large water tank and included drain hose enable continuous draining, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying, and it also comes with a customizable 7-color ambient light. Operating quietly at less than 28 decibels in sleep mode, this dehumidifier ensures a peaceful environment while effectively reducing humidity. A built-in handle makes this dehumidifier highly portable, allowing you to move it effortlessly between different rooms such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and RVs. Amzart offers excellent customer service with a 1-year free replacement, a 3-year maintenance policy, and lifetime professional technical support.